Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about content marketing statistics every marketer should know in 2022. You have got your e-commerce store all set up and you are ready to launch. Once it goes live, the key lies in getting consumers to visit your store. The fundamental questions here is how. The quote to quote Bill Gates, content is king. One of the most effective ways to increase website traffic is with content marketing. Doing is right requires first and foremost understanding aspect of it, like that sort of goals to set. What metrics to look at when measuring content marketing's effectiveness and more. In this video, we will dive into content marketing statistics that will show you not only the importance of content marketing but also some of its best practices, so you know just how to craft the content marketing strategy that best suits your business. Content marketing effectiveness. The first content marketing statistics we have for you will aim to answer the basics question: why is content marketing is important? The best way to explain the importance of content marketing is to look at its success rate. As many as 96% of all marketing decisions makers today say content marketing has been effective for their brands. That's an increase of 37 percentage point increase from the 70% who said so in 2017. In fact, nearly 1 in 5 of them describes content marketing as extremely effective. This is so much so that content marketing is increasingly being integrated into brands' overall businesses goal, with 89% of marketers saying that it now forms part of their company's wider objectives. When it comes to the types of content marketing that are commonly used, written content is still by far marketers' favorite.